treats.
The Rice Krispy treats.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. We're making this.
We are making some Rice Krispy
Treats.
treats. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So we're
Yummy,
gonna
yummy.
need a box, 12-ounce box of Krispy treats.
Some
or Rice
strawberry.
That would be good, but we don't need any for our Krispy treats.
That's all.
Some marshmallows you could get Jet, but they were on
It's
sale
a
at Publix, so
marshmallow.
we got some from Publix.
And these are gets to pick one.
Yes, we're gonna use a mixing bowl
We're mixing.
and some butter.
And we're gonna use this.
And we're gonna use that, yes. Okay, so first thing we need to do is wash our hands, right?
Yes, we need to wash our hands. First we do it.
Yes, and then we can do it. So we're gonna go
Yes.
wash our hands and we'll be right back. Okay, to get started, you will need to melt your butter. We do have 3 tablespoons of butter. And I started off with the speed on high to speed the process up a bit, but the butter melted much quicker than I anticipated, so you'll see that I did turn it down to medium-low. And then here I'm using a butter flavored cooking spray to spray my spatula. This will prevent the marshmallows from sticking to the spatula when we stir it up. Are you eating a marshmallow?
No, I want to.
Yes, you are. Okay. So you're gonna see here I just added a pinch of salt. It is just a baking secret to add that to cut the sweetness down a little bit. Once the butter is all melted, we're gonna pour our marshmallows into a measuring cup just for an easy pour. And then we're going to keep stirring it until the marshmallows are fully melted. So my daughter and I, we do cook a lot of her favorite foods and treats together, so I'm very comfortable with her being this close to the stove. I would definitely use parents' discretion though with this, but I'm just always right there with her to make sure she's not too close but still enjoying the experience of cooking. But definitely if this is your child's first time doing this with you, I wouldn't keep them so close, and I would constantly monitor because you never know what will happen. You want to measure out 6 cups of the Rice Krispie cereal, then add it to a bowl.
and then you are done.
That's it, guys. We made a yummy Rice Krispy treats.
Yes, so yummy. That's pretty good.
Anyways, we're gonna let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll show you what it looks like when it's completely done, and we'll cut it out.
Yes, we will.
These are the cookie cutters we use to get those fun shapes. You can find these anywhere: Walmart, Target, Amazon, and many other places. I like to keep different ones on hand for sandwiches, cookies, and treats like these. I hope you guys enjoy this video and definitely come back for more.
Please like,
Comment,
comment,
and subscribe.
subscribe. Bye. Bye.